Alright, so here we have a new Chevrolet. We got some damage here. Fender pulled out. I think we can fix it without repainting it. Got real bad damage in the hood area. So we're gonna put a hood on it. And then we're also gonna have to put a grill in it, a headlight in it, clean that thing up there, and get everything realigned on it. So Parker's over here prepping the hood for me. You about ready to paint this dude?
Huh?
You about ready to paint this dude?
Just about.
All right. He's got a little bit more to go here. Then we're gonna get it put in the booth. Parker's gonna mix the paint, and I'm gonna throw some paint on this bad boy today. Drop a beer can. Hey, you know what we gotta do?
Huh?
Remember that fender for our buddy Doug?
No.
It's sitting in there. He's wanting you to paint it. It's almost the same color. So we can mix up two colors, means they're the same color. We'll put it on a fender stand. This fender. Let's paint it, and then Doug will be happy. Let me get a zip tie. This thing's been sitting for how long? He brought it to us like
Probably a year or more.
every time he comes in, he's like, "Hey, did you get my fender painted?"
How about new?
Look at that. Yeah, it'll work. We're gonna get your fender painted today, though, Doug. We got you, buddy. Okay, so we're gonna have to. These are empty. While I wipe them. All right, you gonna go pump them full of air?
Yep.
Okay. Go pump them full of air.
Dude, I almost had you. Nice.
All right, let's roll. So this is the first wipe, the first clean. That's what we got off of it the first time. I might have to sand over that a little bit. It's got some things I'm not proud of on that thing. This is a buddy do job. You know what a buddy do job is? It's the same thing as a honey do job, except it's not for your honey, it's for your buddy. All right, we're gonna throw that up there, let it air out. We'll get us a new towel. We'll go to number 2. right, let's mix up some primer. All right, so today we're gonna be running De Beer 8145 high solid surfacer. We're gonna thin this down to be a sealer. So our mixture rate will be for a sealer. So we will have primer sealer, slight corrosion protectant on top of the E-coat that we sanded down. Gonna run a fast activator in it, 8140. You're gonna have to fill that up. Medium thinner. Weapon of choice today is going to be the 3M PPS 2.0. I call it a disposable gun. The reason I call it a disposable gun is because you can literally take this tip, boom, right off of it. This is a 1.4 tip. We sprayed primer with it the other day. I don't need one that big. We want our primer or our sealer that we're spraying today to lay out really smooth and really slick. That way we get hardly any orange peel on what we're painting. So we're gonna go to a 1.3 tip. When these tips get bad enough, you just throw them away. It's a disposable gun, basically. You just use the main frame of the gun over and over again. If you're looking for a good gun to buy, 3M PPS 2.0 gun. You buy their throwaway disposable cups, which is what we just mixed up in. When you're done, you let it all dry and you throw it away. If it's dry, they say it's not hazardous material, so. All right, I got the sealer coat on. Parker's fixing to mix the paint for both these colors. Me and him get to swap roles. You ready for that?
Nope.
Yeah, you are. You will get to watch Parker mix the paint. How many ounces do I want? It's high metallic, so I gotta leave room for stuff that just don't work out right. 26 will get me there. Now let's do a whole 30. I'm gonna mix 30 ounces of that color. Just fill that to the brim. All right, there's your formula. All right, you ready? Look at here. Now I get to take over the camera. Now this is a rare event right here. We need a tripod for you.
Yeah.
Where did we put? I probably have we ever opened a 554? We might have this project shut down. I guess we just thought we were gonna paint today. I thought I had a couple over here that I didn't have open, but maybe I don't.
Holy
Well, there sure as hell ain't a 554 up there, is there?
Keep our composure!
What you doing, man? What you doing, man? Got me down a 554 tent. Okay, sounds good. Thanks, man. All right, bye-bye. Okay, so means that will be en route. Continue on, and then we're gonna take a screenshot of this, and then you can mix every other color, and then when we get 554 here in a little bit from Drew, we'll just add that into it, okay? So it's what I don't want you to do is I only want you to put half of the thinner in it. We're gonna run 161 thinner in this one. Let's get you suited up and you can paint that little baby fender. You act so happy.
I don't know where my suit's at.
Oh, I threw that junk thing away. I'll let you borrow mine. He said that I make him nervous. Like, what the heck's up with that? Like, why would I make him nervous?
Interesting.
Watch. Probably because me going there correcting is going to make him nervous.
You're goddamn right.
Let's go check him out. You're going to come down with the fender, and you're going to end here. See my overlap? See that? I'm on that edge. See this? See my overlap? See my overlap? I'm not even letting off the trigger, bro.
You trying to show me up, Henry?
What do you think about that?
I think I did pretty good for, you know, only doing that 3 times prior.
Hey, there he is. Look here. This dude here wants to be YouTube famous.
On me.
Yeah? What do we got today?
Let's see, you got a toner and you got thinner.
Perfect. We ran out of toner for this to paint our hood. Hey, you want to see what's crazy?
That's crazy.
That goes right there. Where did our 554 go? Oh man, don't tell me you.
I've got
544. We need 554. I got us 554. We got it. We're back in business. Crazy, huh?
Lucky.
Bad boy painted. I'm gonna rush. See the red we just put in it? On. I'm going to let it dry where it's thoroughly dry, and I'm going to lay it down on a stand, and then I'll put the other 2 coats of base on it, and then we'll let it flash and come in and we'll put clear on it. So we got a little downtime right now, so we'll check back here in a little bit. We ran out of time, had to go to youngest boys ball game. They won by like 27 points. So got back here, it's like 8 o'clock, and suiting up, got the booth fired back up, get everything heated up. I'm gonna give it a tack. We're gonna tack it back off and mix the clear up. We're gonna clear put on this thing. So I got the base laid down. So it's pretty crazy how close these 2 colors are. That's a Chrysler color, and this is a GM color. Let that flash off, put one more coat on it, we'll be good to go. Now we gotta hurry up and wait. Alright, so we got the last coat on, and the boost's cycling down, and everything turned out good, so we'll be able to proceed. So we're going to give you a shot here, check out the finished product, which we'll do a little bit of buffing, wet sanding and buffing on, and we'll get these parts bolted up tomorrow. In this morning, we can proceed with the repairs on this Chevy Silverado. Man, them aluminum hoods, they're awful light, you know it? So anyway, I stayed last night. You seen, we got the job done, got the hood painted, and Come in this morning, we're ready to finish the repairs on this little truck here and get it back to the owner. So let's get started. So this truck's got some motor detailer on it. It's real sticky. It's all over my hands. I gotta go get some, I gotta get me a wet rag. It's like a fake Armor All type solution on there. It's like real greasy. So I'm gonna assume that it's probably not good for auto body shop. There's the grill. All through here's busted. All down here is busted. There we go. There we go. Look how that's coming into play. I see I can stick my finger in between it before, now I can't. That's the perfect gap. All the way down it. Weapon of choice today is going to be the Milwaukee 10,000 series buffer. So we have a rookie recording. She's not a very good videographer that we know of, but we're gonna find out today. She's either gonna be good shots or bad shots. You ready? Let's just set it down right here. Put your nut on, put it down. Now let's see if it's lined up. Boom, we're good to go. A little cleaning up, this job's done. You guys wanted to touch insurance work, so there you got it. Time frame on this took me solid 8 hours.